Yeah, my name is Monica. I'm studying IT and Strategic Innovation from Kingston University, and I'm a master's student. And I have a placement along with my master's, and I'm an international student. I chose this course called IT and Strategic Innovation because I already had experience in IT industry. Like for 5 years, I worked as a software developer, and as a software developer, I just used to get the requirement documents, and we are supposed to develop the software or the module from the particular requirement, but we don't understand the whole business and how our software is going to fit into the business. So by doing this course, I get to understand how do we analyze a business, like SWOT analysis and other things that I've never heard of before. So, and also I learned how to write business plans and do budget analysis. That would actually help me understand the whole process from the business end as well as technology end. For the first thing, my brother also studied in Kingston University, so I already kind of know how the professors are and how the location is, and basically I'm an international student, so it's good to have someone you already know. And when I came to Kingston, the university is very nice, and the location, we have Riverside and everything very near to it. To do a placement along with my masters, because after completing all my lectures, now I get about 12 months to think about my project, and the place where I'm doing my placement will also give me various new ideas on what exactly I can put in my project dissertation. Actually, I applied to many of the companies, and I have uploaded my resume in most of the job sites that are available. And the particular one that I am currently working is something I got from LinkedIn. I got a message from a recruiter that's actually, it's because I have a previous work experience as a C# developer, and there was opening for it, so I got it that way. In the very first week, they tell us about, we have an induction program for the placement students. They tell us, they gave us some of the tests to understand our mindset, and then they ask us to start applying for the jobs. We have like some of the guest lecturers coming in who actually work in a company or they do represent a company, so they tell us if they have any openings for the students, or if some of these skills, because there are most of the students, they have some of the work experience prior to joining the course, so they get fit into, then the companies will take. In the very first week when we join the university, we have an induction program, and then they tell us about how we can apply in the various job sites, and we have a dedicated website called Job Central for Kingston University, and there we can see a number of jobs listed and we can start applying. For my placement, I have started applying from the very beginning, like from November 2018, and but I got the placement in around March, because we were supposed to start in May. And the university helps us like in various workshops, like they tell us how to update the LinkedIn profile, and how there are CV workshops there. They tell you what things you have to put in your CV and what things you can remove from CV. So I have started my placement at iLuca CSM, that is Chime Sports Marketing, and we basically deals with the hospitality management during the events like Olympics and Rugby World Cup. And I'm currently working as a software developer, so I will be developing the mobile applications and websites that will help in transport management system. Okay, so the benefits of doing a placement is like I get to work in a real environment where I'm learning new skills like mobile application development that I haven't done before, and I'll be able to get new ideas for my project. So once I graduate, I expect to be able to become a software architect, in which I will be able to design the whole software and then will be able to develop it as well.